But if it's just a regular headache and you don't really know what's going on, maybe you slept wrong, rotated your head wrong while you're sleeping, this can be a great asset for you to just have in your back pocket. If you feel the back of your head, you're gonna have these two nodules, really right at the base of your skull. Over those nodules, you have 3 muscles. And what they do is they essentially help the smallest rotation and tilting of your head. And what I find is that they can, oh my goodness, they can just really give you a hard time. And so if you find these muscles in the back of your head, and I usually take 2 fingers and just kind of cross them over and just gently massage these muscles by kind of just going cross like this. It's called cross friction. And if you just kind of go over those muscles, if you're having a nasty headache, again, you do not want to do this if you have migraines, because it could potentially exacerbate it. And just really come back here on those like little nodules in the back of your noggin and just move and self-massage those muscles as well.